As you can see, this affiliate marketing offer gives us nearly $352, and if we can sell one of these products a day, we can earn $10,560 a month. In this video, we are going to teach you how to sell this product and earn a lot of money. In this video, we are going to learn about affiliate marketing and find the best product and the best website in this field. In the next step, we will learn about the best platforms to get impressions. In the next step, we will learn how to make an impression so that we can sell our product and how to create content. So stay with us until the end of this video, because in addition to these explanations, we are going to introduce you two extremely useful tools for faster content creation. So let's go to the first step. If you're in a country that supports the ClickBank website, you must use this website. But if your country doesn't support this website, the best alternative website is Digistore24. I use Digistore24 in this video so that everyone can access this website. Registering on this website is very easy, and you can simply complete your registration with just one email. After registration, select all offers on the affiliate marketplace option from the marketplace section of your user dashboard, and you will enter the section where the offers are there. On the first page, you can see offers on different topics, and on the left side, you can see different categories. In this video, I want to create content on the topic of making money online. So I will use a topic for the affiliate marketing product that is related to this topic. I choose the first product, which is related to crypto, and its commission is close to $352. And if I can sell one product a day, I will earn $10,560 per month. Now we want to create a suitable platform for sending impressions to our product. My choice for getting impressions is Pinterest, because you can get good views and progress faster. But you can also work on another platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. But the best option for our product is Pinterest. I found this Pinterest account that makes videos about making money online. And as you can see, it sells products that can be for itself, or it can get help from affiliate marketing websites. You might think to yourself that maybe they are not satisfied with us using their videos, but it's not. In addition to satisfaction, you help these people build a stronger brand for themselves. And this is exactly what was done with Andrew Tate, which caused this person's brand to grow many times over. This account is another example of making money online. And as you can see, in the bio section, he has put his own website and sells his own products. And this account has more than 4 million monthly views and definitely made a lot of income for himself in this way. You can use these two accounts that I introduced to you to get ideas and how to make covers and etc. in order to progress faster. And I found this account on YouTube on the same topic, and it uploads videos of the world's richest people and gets millions of views. This channel can have two ways to earn money. The first way is by using YouTube's monetization system, and the second way is to sell the product. Of course, I don't think that this channel uses the second method, because I didn't see any traces of the website in this channel. But if he uses it, his income will increase several times. Now using ChatGPT, we can find content creation ideas to help us grow on Pinterest. The ideas you see are the best ideas to start creating content. And choose any of the ideas you like and send them to ChatGPT again to get the explanation. By using the clickandshort.com website, you can send interview videos to this robot and enter the number of the videos and receive your short video. Using the Clipchamp website, you can automatically add subtitles to your videos and create your own content very easily. This website uses AI technology to do this for you. In addition, you can edit your own videos on this website. Now you create an account on Pinterest and upload the content you create and publish it. After uploading a lot of videos, you can get a lot of views and then sell the product you have chosen. In order to put the product we have chosen in Pinterest pins, it's enough to click the Promote Now option on the Digistore24 website and on the right side of the product, and then enter the Pinterest website. And any post you want to publish, paste this link in the website section of each post. Also, for better sales, you can put this link in the bio section of your channel so that it's always in front of users' eyes and users have easier access to it. In the worst case, you can sell one product per day, and your commission is $352 per product, and you will earn nearly $10,500 per month. So don't be lazy and start this business right now and think about high incomes. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.